Hello dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to study the chapter that is computer a smart machine. As you all know, computer is a useful machine. It is used almost everywhere. You can use it in your home, shops, office, hospital, bank, railway station, etc. Okay, it has become important part of our life. It makes our work easier. Okay, computer has some wonderful feature that make it smarter than the humans. Okay, so there are some features that differentiate a human from a computer. So first feature we'll talk about is storage. As you know, computers store a large amount of data and information and never forget it, but human may forget the information stored in their mind. Like if now you once you have read a chapter, is it possible to remember that chapter for lifelong? No, you have to revise that chapter again and again. Okay, but computer don't need to revise it. Okay, next feature is your time. A computer works very fast and can do many jobs at same time, but human needs more time to do any work as compared to a computer. Like if there's a complicated sum or a complicated question that we have to solve, so human will takes the time to solve that question, but if same question is given to a computer, so it will solve it in a less time than humans. Okay, next feature is your accuracy. A computer doesn't make any mistake, but humans can make mistakes. Okay, when you will do work in your notebooks, so there may be some mistake na, and you have to erase it, but computer never makes any mistake. Next one is your work process. A computer doesn't get tired and can work for long hours, but human need rest after working for some time. Is it possible for you to work to read or study full day? No. Yes, you have to take the rest. Okay, once you will do the work, you will get tired and you have to take the rest, but computer doesn't need to take the rest. Next one is your decision. But a computer can't take its own decision and human can take their own decision. Like if two numbers are given to a human, so we can decide, we can add it or subtract it or anything else, but computer can't decide what it can do with these two numbers. Okay, next one is your orders. A computer works on humans order, but human do not need any order to work. Like if we are feeling hungry, so we don't need any order na for eating the food, but a computer need the humans order to work. Okay, next one is feeling. A computer doesn't have any feeling. For example, if you hit a monitor, it doesn't react, but human have a feeling. For example, if you get hurt, you feel the pain. Okay, is it clear to you? If you will hit the monitor, is it hurted? No, but if you will hit a human, he feel pain. Okay, so now we'll talk about the uses of computer in the different fields. So there are different fields in which computer are used. First one is your home. So at your home, you can use the computer to watch the movies, to listen the songs, to search for the information on any topics, to play the games, to do the homework, or for drawing purpose also. So you can use the computer at your home for these purpose. Next one is schools. In school, you can use the computer to keeping record of the book and help teachers in the teaching. It helps the teacher to teach in the teaching in the class. Like we use the smart board. So these are the example of that computers. Making timetable, library report or report cards, or doing the practical work in the computer lab. Okay, or helping the student to draw color pictures, or playing games, or search any information. Okay, in shop and office, the computer are used to keeping record of the items, typing and printing bills, sending and receiving messages. In banks, the computer are used to keeping the details of the bank account, for taking the money out from the ATM. Next field is hospital. In hospital, we use the computer to keeping record of the patient, for preparing the medical reports like X-ray, helping doctor learn more about the disease. If there are new disease, so computer help the doctors to know more about that disease, their causes, like COVID-19. So we can search the information of that COVID-19 on the computer now. Next one is your designing. In designing, computer can also be used for designing the clothes, cars, machines and buildings. Okay, designing and printing book, magazine, newspaper, etc. Making a cartoon, animated movie or 3D painting and all. Okay, next one is your railway station and airport. At railway station and airport, we use the computer for booking the tickets, keeping record of all the passenger and give information about the train's arrival or departure time. Okay, in space and research, we also use the computer to finding information about the space. If you want to send if they want to send the rocket in the space, so computer help them. Then helping the military makes security weapons and all. So these all are the fields where computer are very useful. Now we'll talk about the types of computer. So computer comes in many sizes and shapes. According to that, computer are divided into these category. First one is your desktop. This is, so as you can see, this is your desktop computer. Desktop computer are big in size. They are kept on the desk or table. In your computer lab, they are desktop computer. Okay, next one is the laptop. As you can see, this is a laptop. It is small in size. It can easily be kept on our lap. A laptop can be carried easily anywhere. Okay, next one is your tablet. A tablet is smaller than a laptop. It has a touch screen on which we can write using a special pen. Next one is your smartphone. You all know the smartphone. It is a mobile phone that lets you make calls, send messages, store phone number, do video callings, send emails, search the information and all. So these are the types of computer. Okay class, thank you.